Hey y'all, welcome to my channel or welcome back. If you are new here, thank you so much for joining us. If you are returning, you already know it. You are fabulous. All right, so today's video, this is 111 of our 365-day daily devotionals. Y'all, this devotional is just, it's so good. It's called Jesus Calling, and it is by Sarah Young. You can find it at Walmart, Hobby Lobby, Amazon. You can also download it on Audible. I've actually done that too. But if you don't want to purchase it, no big deal. I'm going to read you the entire devotional. We're going to talk about it a little bit, go over the verses, and it'll be fine. So if you've missed any of the previous episodes and you'd like to check those out, there is a link in the description box. And I guess that's it. So let's get started. Okay, 111. Do not be afraid, for I am with you. Hear me saying, peace, be still, to your restless heart. No matter what happens, I will never leave you or forsake you. Let this assurance soak into your mind and heart until you overflow with joy. Though the earth give way and the mountains fall into the heart of the sea, you need not fear. The media relentlessly proclaims bad news. For breakfast, lunch, and dinner, a steady diet of their fare will sicken you. Instead of focusing on fickle, ever-changing news broadcasts, tune in to the living word, the one who is always the same. Let the scriptures saturate your mind and heart, and you will walk steadily along the path of life. Even though you don't know what will happen tomorrow, you can be absolutely sure of your ultimate destination. I hold you by my right hand, and afterward I will take you into glory. Very good. I hold you by my right hand, and afterward I will take you into glory. That's two promises. God promises to always be with us and to take us to heaven. I mean, what more could you ask for? That's pretty good. He's going to always be there. And then you get heaven in the end. That's amazing. That's something to be joyous about. But you've got to believe those two promises. And you've got to wholeheartedly be confident in those promises. We don't know what tomorrow will bring. But we can absolutely know that God is with us, God is for us, and God's going to take us to heaven when the end comes. You can be absolutely sure of that. And when you are, it will bring a peace over you that's unexplainable. It's very good. No matter what happens, I will never leave you or forsake you. Let this assurance soak into your mind and heart until you overflow with joy. It's very good. You know, it says in here, the media relentlessly proclaims bad news for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. A steady diet of their fare will sicken you, and it will. If you watch the news all the time, and the things that are going on in this world today, it will absolutely make you sick. It will give you anxiety. It's depressing. We don't have to worry about those things. Because we have a God that's never going to leave us, no matter what happens. And when it's all said and done, We have the riches in heaven to look forward to. So there's no need to be afraid of anything that this world has. Whom shall I fear? Yeah. Very good. All right, so let's do the verses. Then he arose and rebuked the wind and said to the sea, "Peace, be still." And the wind ceased, and there was a great calm. Mark 4:39. Be strong and courageous. Do not be afraid or terrified because of them, for the Lord your God goes with you. He will never leave you nor forsake you. Deuteronomy 31:6. Therefore we will not fear, though the earth give way and the mountains fall into the heart of the sea. Psalms 46:2. Yet I am always with you. You hold me by my right hand. You guide me with your counsel, and afterward you will take me into glory. Psalms 73:23 and 24. You guide me with your counsel, and afterwards you will take me into glory. God's always with us. Even when you don't think he is, he's there. I promise. I've had some major things happen in the last 6 months. God's never left my side, even when I was angry with him. He never left me. I never stopped feeling God's love. Never. This is good. Do not be afraid, for I am with you. So good. All right, guys, if you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. It definitely helps my channel. Don't forget to share it with your friends and family and subscribe. That would be awesome. Plus, hit that notification bell so that you will know each time I upload a new video. All right, guys, thank you so much for being with me. And y'all have a blessed day.